No, it's close, but it's good.
Give me those Himalayas. Real food right here, big boy. I guess some 12s in this Camaro. Get on that carrots, man.
You know carrots so expensive?
Oh yeah, this is more than your wardrobe right here, but they said I need to buy, only thing I need to buy is a new heart, but hey, I'm living and still did 11 years of prison, a dark skin, still I suffer, y'all. How y'all still let that had a heart attack, been in prison for 11 years, out succession. God wanted me here, all you motherfuckers trying to put curses and all, bro. That just go bounce off me and come back to you and your family. I ain't never cursed a man in my life. Even my enemy, if I didn't get to him, God would have.
Oh, you got some Hawaii water? How much is this?
Oh, yeah, okay, that was $4.
Damn.
You turned me on to it. I was like, let me get that. See that? That's what Miles was talking about.
Yeah, that stuff's good, bro.
Rich people water. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, got the flowers on there with the veggies.
Oh, man.
Oh, well, I like that. My first time ever having this. That's good. We're about to go get these wheels, man. Hopefully, Juju don't have a problem with them. This is nice looking at it, but when you get up on it, you see the little flaws. Wish I would have knew, man. It was gonna be a headache like that. I wouldn't have got it. I'll get that green and go with the green wheels next.
Right.
But it's dope. It's dope to look at from afar. Just got a few little flaws, creases right there. I haven't seen none with the interior done.
Oh, is the
So
ZL1?
that'd be huge.
This thing looks crazy. Like when you're behind me, it's like actually like more red, like that darker red, and then the green really pops out even in the sun.
Yeah.
I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip is wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Like class break. First I stretch. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip is wet. Tell them run it up.
Ooh, I can't imagine what it's gonna look like with
Color's
the wheels.
crazy, man.
I got
Clean,
the 4-link
clean.
exhaust
Clean came out
yesterday.
clean.
Yeah, it did.
I never saw it when we got it.
Well, I got that Borley exhaust on it yesterday.
Did you? The tips match too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I just saw that too.
Yeah. Got that Borley exhaust yesterday. Ooh, they got pearls in it.
Well, he does the lights, the media, the driving.
I used to help with the lights. Now I just do all the media.
Oh, you just do all the media?
Yeah. Woo, man. Yeah, they're still here.
Ooh, they say that costs like 3 racks of powder coat them. Oh, they ain't that heavy. That's gonna take it to a whole nother level.
Yeah, and the crazy
And
thing
we emailed them, but they haven't replied.
Got it.
You ready?
Uh-oh.
You ready, boy? You ready,
I'm running away.
Come on,
ready?
Jamie, you ready?
You know what, man? I'm driving.
Yeah, yo be f***ed up. You ever had any of the gum?
First time.
Another
I
pack.
appreciate you, man. Make sure y'all go get some.
Oh, you're
What's
gonna
the discount code?
You're gonna be YT, dog. Letter Y, letter T. Use that.
It's only 50 megs of caffeine.
Hey, you know you support if you getting those messages right there.
Oh yeah.
That's-
Oh yeah,
Right
oh,
there.
oh, that's.
Nice to meet you. So what I was thinking, you think I should just do the You think I should just do the stitching green?
I do piping, inserts, and then whatever pattern you want to do green with the green stitching, make it pop more. If you do all green,
Right, exactly.
it sort of kills too much. And later down the line, if let's say you want to change the color of the red,
Right.
yeah, we do have a
Oh, that was like, oh yeah, shiesty. Big, Big G was doing stuff like this.
212.
212? Damn. So what's this? What that'll run me?
This kind of
That's
setup,
set up.
13,000.
Okay, that's
So
about the
I
same
saw
price
the,
as
I saw the
Shaq
setup
did.
that, hold on, which one?
Whatever hit the hardest.
Don't matter which one, which one you
Yeah.
want.
I would go off your recommendation. Damn, look at that.
I think they were trying the rears and the front.
Oh, is that right? They fit fine.
Zach, you don't know what you're doing.
The back.
Yeah, I think they were putting the back to the front. That's why I was touching.
Oh man, that we came to the right place. Just stick to rap. So I thought it was something bad. I was like, oh.
It happens, man. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens.
You just being nice to y'all, brother.
Yeah, it's good. No, it's close, but it's good.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not touchy, bro.
I don't know.
Sorry, Ford Giotto. Y'all didn't up. I mean, it's super close, but it doesn't touch.
It won't be a problem ever.
No, because you know there's screws. Once they're tightened, they're not gonna go in anymore.
Okay.
Not by gassing it, you don't get any.
Okay.
Like, yeah. Yeah, I mean it's a tight fit, but it's not touching.
Oh, it's smelling good up in here. It smells like fried chicken. I can't eat nothing fried no more, man. Probably once a week I'm
Don't
good.
be jealous, Kelly.
Hey, now that I can't eat certain stuff, I want to eat it.
Right.
Ain't that weird?
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Oh.
What do you say? If you can't have it, nobody?
Oh yeah, if I can't have it, can't nobody have it. It's bad. Protein powder bad. Creatine bad. Caffeine bad. Cocaine bad. Promethazine bad.
Weed?
Nigga. Xanny, weed, all of it bad. It's bad. Hypey mud, not bad. You got supplements that, yeah. It's good for those who got a good heart. That's cold, boy. Woo-wee. Oh. Cold build right there, man. All I gotta say to all the internet, don't be jealous. Turn the diet.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip this. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my eye, was send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip this, tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. That's what the devil used to love playing those games.
These aren't organic though.
What's the difference? They just don't say it.
Well, yeah,
You don't
but
know the damn difference. You don't grow 'em.
well, you
You don't know the difference. That's like motherfuckers talk about they get organic marijuana.
roids? Oh, organic
You don't
roids?
grow it. They doing what they got to make it the most potent. Well, you know what that means.
What?
I mean, spray it with fentanyl or something.
Goji berries.
Those supposed to be good for you?
Yeah, it's down here. It's a superfood. It only grows in the Himalayas.
Oh, give me that Himalayas, man, superfood. Ooh, I applesauce. I be needing some bars, you know, when we out on the go and stuff.
Yeah, right. Well, what about the
Lot of
added sugar?
ingredients.
7 added grams of sugar.
God damn, you gotta f up my day. Hold on, I'm going.
I'm trying to make it live.
Sugar's not bad for me though. It's
bad for
oil,
everybody.
grease and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Blueberry lemon. Come on, who gonna deny that? Oh, apple cinnamon. I be these little
You
bars.
know that's not healthy.
Why not?
You just know
Organic,
that.
bro. See that? Organic.
Oh, okay.
USDA certified.
Oh, yeah, I believe anything.
Good
the government
God, look at all
tells
those ingredients. Good God. Alright.
What?
We all go die.
We got your organic stuff over here. Your protein powders.
So guys, I know you guys see me talk about protein powder. Let's see what we have in here. Oh God, it's so small I can't read it. They don't want me to read it.
Spirulina.
It's good,
wheatgrass.
man. This is
That's
good. It's good. It's made in the lab, but it's good, baby. You know what I'm saying? Wheatgrass. How much is this bottle right here?
Right here
Ooh,
it's 60.
Ooh, $60 for take that powder instead of food, man. Jesus, $2 breakfast. I ain't gotta pay Starbucks all that money. Strawberry.
It has 9 grams of added sugar to it.
I'm not worried about sugar, motherfucker. Need sugar.
Okay.
Need carbs.
Okay. It's just added
That's
sugar.
you worried about sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got healthy stuff. Orange, carrot, and apple. Can't get no more healthier than that.
The carrots come in it to match your shirt?
Oh yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, carrots too.
You on point? You on point? Where my fork at, man? I got a salad. I hope it ain't got nothing that canola oil, like you said. Potatoes, chicken, oatmeal, and pineapple. Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us. Thank you for getting us safe. We ask that you continue blessing us, bless positive people of the world, our family, and business partner. Amen. Look at that. Healthy. Big boy. You need to start eating healthy like us, man. Real food right here, big boy. Good, look at this chicken. No salt, nothing on it. You gotta eat to live, not live to eat. You know I knew that. You didn't know I knew that slogan.
You might be a genius.
Ain't no mic to it.
I seen
when I
that.
turned 40, I became a genius.
Oh, I see. I'm early.
Nah. 34. Nah. When I stopped bodybuilding, showing my muscles off in front of judges.
Oh, okay.
That's when I became a genius. No, my tax lady. Collie Muscle, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where did this $250,000 go? I say on juice and food. But you need to stop it. It's not a good investment. Buy cars. Everybody keeps on saying housing, property. Of course. Do you think we got to divulge all our information to the internet? That's what y'all do, huh? Oh, I'm stressed out today. Oh, I'm depressed today. Oh, I'm suicidal today. Oh, me and my girlfriend had an argument today. Collie Muscle, can you loan me some money? That's all they do on the internet, bro. Talk crap, life in shambles, telling us what we need to do. No wish they could come to LA. But they can't, so they said, oh, I'm moving to Vegas. Oh, I'm moving to Texas. I'm going to Mississippi. Oh, I'm going to Alabama. Cheap. If it's somewhere you move that's cheap, nothing good is about that area. Since y'all been talking mess in the comments about Hype White, he ain't want to be on the camera no more.
I didn't want to be on the camera. They made fun of me. Hurt my feelings. But I don't get on the internet and complain about it. I just get money and get happy.
Hell yeah. What you eating there,
All
man?
right, so this is healthy. Blueberries, full of antioxidants,
There
right?
we go.
Beets, that's got to be good.
Yeah.
Strawberries, cucumber, spinach, yellowfin, tuna, roasted garlic, and this hummus, this cilantro lime hummus. Look how healthy this is. See how green it is?
That's healthy.
It tastes good too.
We're trying to motivate and inspire big boy. So so he stopped eating from those food trucks.
If I can't have it, he can't have it, right?
Exactly. So I can't have it,
big
I'm
boy.
against it.
Big boy. Look at me. See how, look how my skin looks. My skin be looking good and healthy, and cheekbones.
You ready to do another music video like you did that one time?
What
Looking
time?
like Fabio.
Oh yeah, I'm about ready. I'm about ready. A couple more yoga sessions, a couple of saunas. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got. As soon as I get clearance, I'm going to do yoga.
Yeah.
I got some 12s in this Camaro. You guys did Camaros before, huh?
Yeah.
Now don't pee your pants when you see this car, all right? One of the colors.
Yeah, for sure. We can fit 212.
Yeah, ghetto. I want it super loud and ghetto. License plate right.
The simple one will probably take like a few days, maybe like 3 or 4 days. If it's something a lot advanced, maybe like a few weeks, 3 weeks, maybe something like that.
Yeah.
They sound the best. I think the circle ones sound really good. The square ones are super loud, like really loud.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I like loud. What do you recommend? Facing me or facing the trunk?
Facing the trunk, it's gonna sound louder.
Oh, okay.
You want to do something simple? Simple? Okay.
Yeah. Because simple, I don't know. Y'all simple sound good.
Yeah, for sure. It's gonna sound good. It's just for the looks and stuff.
Oh, I'm not going. If I open the trunk, hey, they go see that box. Because you know I did all that other stuff, and we sold the cars.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It was like I spent $60,000 on audio and just sold the cars.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.